Welcome to the factory of programming. Prepare your mind for exclusive tech experience. Listening to Vivo Bon right now.
Hello, today we will try to use the dev containers to facilitate the loading of a workspace and all the requirements to be able to execute and code in an application. For example, in this video, I will use a simple Java project and I will load a dev container with a Maven and all we need to execute Java in a container. So like that, I will only have to load these dev containers and then I will be able to execute my code in this without to have to install anything on my machine. So let's start. So I download an application which name is Movie Fetcher, and in this code we have just an app which does a call to movie application. We will check what it is doing. I will install this plugin. And then we have also a test which only does an answer true. It is a very basic application just to show how to use a Java application with dev containers. So let's install the dev containers plugin. We go in extension and dev container. Okay, install. It is the first from Microsoft. Install. You have also to have a Docker desktop. Docker desktop is running. Okay. So that's okay for us. Now I have dev containers and alors dev new dev container. Add dev. Okay, that's it. So if you want to have the option of dev containers, you have to click on this icon on the top left bottom of your Visual Code screen. So we'll add a configuration file. Okay. So add configuration for workspace, the second one. All definition, Alpine. Show all definition, now Alpine, dev container, Debian, Docker in Docker, Java dev container. I will use this one, Java dev containers, because I take the first one. I check. You have to check here the one you need. Like it is a Maven project, I will use Maven. I click OK, and I don't need any plugin, so I click OK. So it is adding the containers files. Folders contains a dev containers configuration file. Reopen folder to develop in a container. So I click open in a container. Reading dev container configuration show log. So I will show the log to see what is happening in my application. So normally this will load a container with all I need to execute my app. And in that way, I don't have to install anything on my machine. All will be installed in the container. So I will execute my app relying on the container content. Okay. So starting dev container, show log. So if I go in my main app, right here, how do I click on run? Run. And so we have the answer, which is, and maybe it is the endpoint app. What is it's just doing a request, and then it send and it prints the output. Okay, it's not a REST API. It's just a call like in Android when you do a call to an external endpoint, but you use it in your application. So you see, we have just load in a container our application, and we are using an application which relies on a container, so we do not have to install anything, the Maven or the Java Development Kit or even other stuff. This would be very interesting in the case if you have a lot of stuff to make available for your developers, and you want to put it in a container, and then rather to install all in your workstation, you just say to the developer, use my dev containers, and then he launch his VS Code, he load the dev container containing all the required um, application, tools, etc. that he needs, and it only adds to load it in a dev container and to use it with his VS Code, thanks to the extension dev container. Okay, so I think we did this part. So to recapitulate, we did the installation of the plugin dev containers. We created, thanks to the dev containers, by clicking here, open, for example, configure all the options that we have to create a configuration files. So you don't have to seek on the internet. The plugin, the extension propose you to create the file for you. Then we choose the option to create this file, and then we load the dev containers, and we just have to plug on it and to execute our app, and to see in the end that our app is running thanks to these dev containers, and not thanks to a lot of stuff that we would have to install, and we'll have to take a lot of time to install it. Okay, thanks a lot. See you in another video. Bye.